In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set a password or how to lock your Google Chrome. First, I want you to head into your Chrome application and then click the three-dotted icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. Once you click this, you will notice this Extensions tab. We will be installing a extension in order for us to implement a password into our Google Chrome. Now click the Visit Chrome Web Store and then type in Set Password for Chrome. Then click this result and then click this. Click the Add to Chrome and then click the Add Extension. Now we will be asked to set a password for our browser. Just type in the password and then click the OK. Then click the OK button again. Now as you can see, before passing here, we must enter a passcode first. And that's how you can set up a password or lock your Chrome using a password. And thank you for listening.